Hey viewer, hope you're well and doing something exciting today. I'm Arun Talukdar from Csoft and I take care of technical issues. Today we are going to discuss about installations of NanoCAD products. Let's go to the web page where we have all the product listed, so you can see the products of NanoCADs on this window. These are different products. So if you have purchased of any of our NanoCAD products or planning to install trial versions of any of these products, then you can just download from the web page by clicking this button anywhere in this button, and immediately the applications will the web will ask for your name and email ID. So once you put the name and email ID, one serial number will send to the email ID, and you can download the applications from the given link as well. But if in case you have already purchased NanoCAD applications and trying to install the applications, so using the serial number, so you can actually follow these steps. Here you can see in the upper right hand corner there is a sign in option. So if you have the credentials, that's your email ID when you provided the email ID during purchase. So that email ID, using that email ID you can log in, because the moment you are requesting a trial serial number or buying a NanoCAD products, so the serial number will be assigned based on your mobile, based on your, when you are planning to, when you buy applications or download trial license, you will get a serial number, and using that serial number you can actually log in here in this website nanocad.com. So the moment you are receiving the serial numbers, that means the serial number are associated with certain email ID. So using that email ID you can log in immediately after receiving the serial number, because all the serial numbers of nano products are attached to certain email IDs. So the password will be sent to the email ID, so you can log in and you can check your email and reset the password if you want, and then log in. So in my case, I already logged in into the NanoCAD license registration portal. As you can see, I have different type of local versions and network versions of licenses. All the products will be listed on this cabinet, and in the local versions, in the network versions, I have a products NanoCAD Plus, where I can see the serial number of NanoCAD Plus, and I can see the left how many days my license will remain active. So it's 109 days left for me to use the trial of these applications. So as the NanoCAD Pro is already expired now, so it's giving me all sort of informations I need. This is, you can turn off or turn on the information segments. So this is all fine. Now if you need to find some specific applications you are using serial number, so just logged in, and this is the brand names the license coming from, so it's Nanosoft, and then you need to choose the products. On my case, I would like to select NanoCAD Mechanica 6, as I'm going to show you installation procedure of NanoCAD Mechanica 6. So this is one product, and I have the serial number of NanoCAD Mechanica 6 on my cabinet, personal cabinet. So I can see I have this serial number. I have 200 days left, and this I can use up to 4 system. So I got 4 licenses left. I have total 6 licenses. Sorry, I have total 10 licenses, and 6 are already used, so I have 4 left. So I can take the serial number, and you should have the build, as you receive the downloading link automatically during registration or delivery of the products, or maybe you can go to our ftp.nanocad.com, where all the products are listed, so you can get the products you have purchased or want to give a trial. So just the next step will be go to the products. On my case, I will go to my download folder and I see this is the products. So one exe file. A few of the products are will be installed on both 64 and 32 specifically, but some of our products are not available on 64 platform, so it's only 32-bit platform exe. So on my case, I have NanoKit Mechanica 32-bit build, so I can double click on that. It's a self-extracting exe. So the moment I double click, it will start extracting the objects, the files, the set of files, and it will run straight away the publication. So it will check the authentication of the product. So now you can proceed. You can follow the screen instructions. So now it's telling me to go ahead with the installation, so that's okay. I accept the license agreement and terms and conditions. You can see the details of that, so you can actually read all of this. Go next. So you can use your name, and then I can use my company name. This is important. If you have serial number with you, and you can turn on these options. And if you do not have serial number at the moment, but you will receive the serial number from Nanosoft, or you want to use a network license or something, so you can turn off this for the time being and go ahead with the installation. So it will allow you to go ahead with the installations. But if you know the serial number, turn on this and give the serial number. So on my case, I know the serial number of the installation, so I just paste the serial number and press next. So now it's telling me where I should install the product, so I can change if I need to move out from C drive, the default installation drive. So I can choose that particular drive. If I need to choose some other drive, so I can do that. Go next, and on this it's telling you that you should use NanoKit Mechanica, associate all the extensions DWG and DWT with NanoKit Mechanica. So you can choose or you can turn off. And in this sections you have options to choose any of the country specific, because in NanoKit Mechanica we have huge library of different mechanical objects. So the default library you can choose from this list. So on my case, I would choose ISO as an international standard, so I'll keep ISO and go next, and the installation procedure will start. So it will take around minute of 2 or 3, and then the license screen will appear on this. So we'll wait for a few minutes now. Okay, so these options by default it will be turn on. So by turn on, it is telling you to go ahead with the registration process. So you can click on finish. So the moment you click on finish, it will go to the registration wizard. So now you have different options: registration and activate license, and the manually activate license file, and connect to license server. So on my case, I'm using standalone license, so I will not go for the network license. Connect to license server. So connect to license server is only applicable for those who are using license server. Network license server. So, and then manual activation is that if you have the system Mac and you want Nanosoft to generate the license and send to you manually, so that you can do. You can send out informations to us, we'll make the license and send to you, and you can activate later on. But this is super quick, I guess. Register and activate license file online. So keeping that option selected, click on next. Now it's a second time the serial number verifications on this. And now I have some user informations requesting panel where you need to give the information, the correct information. This email ID, remember the email ID should be the exactly same what you had provided during the trial request or during purchase. So the email ID should be exactly same. On my case, probably password is not required all the time, but some cases you need to give the passwords. So if I click next, and now I need to confirm this, all the information. So I can check all the informations. If okay, then click next or go back to fix or to update the information. So on my case, this is all are correct. So I'll move to next, and now this is one attention informations for you. You should remember that when you are trying to activate the standalone license, that means you are attaching the license to this particular system, particular workstations or your laptop. So basically when you do that, and after some times when you have a situations where you need to format your system, so this license file will not work. You need to request for a new license file. So this is the attention informations for you. So I agree, I'm done with this, and I agree that I can attach to this system, no problem. And now one more thing that you need to go through is online or email or NanoCAD websites or save license request to a file and send to Nanosoft to receive the license from them. On my case, I will choose request license online because this is very quick, time saving. So I can choose either any one of this depending upon the situations of yours. But on my case, I really would like to select request license file online. So if I click this, it will analyze the application. The registration wizard is actually connected to the server, and it's telling me that I received a license file now. So congratulations, I have a license file in this path. So our server will always throw the license to this path. So if I go to this path, if I go to this any directory, so this is the license file I have on this path. So I received this license file just now. So this is the locations where our server will deposit all the license. So next, finish. So now I can run the products, and the products, if I click on NanoCAD Mechanica 6.1 now, so no, I do not really need to migrate from the other versions of NanoCAD Mechanica. If I open the products for the first times, it may take some time because of all the migrations and the environment testing and other thing. So it will take certain amount of time to really start. Now it's telling me to really check the graphic on this system. So this is all done now. You can go to help and press on about, so you can see the information, the license informations. So in my case, my license will expire on this, and some other information, the bill number of the applications and other things. Okay, thank you very much. If you would like to know about network license or some other license related or installation related informations about Nanosoft, NanoCAD, please let us know. You can raise ticket on support from the given link below in the description, or you can definitely comments or send us email in the support. Thank you very much.